Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Building a simple dice game in Python. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of creating a basic dice game using Python. This project is suitable for beginners who want to practice their programming skills and understand the fundamentals of Python. Requirements. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up your Python environment. Open your preferred text editor or integrated development environment, IDE. For beginners, you can use idle, which comes bundled with Python. Step 2. Write the Python code. Step 3. Understand the code. Roll_dice function. This function uses the random.randint function to simulate the rolling of a 6-sided die. It returns a random number between 1 and 6. Main function. This is the main function that runs the dice game. It displays a welcome message, rolls the dice when the user presses enter, and asks if the user wants to roll again. Step 4. Run the code. Save your Python script with a.py extension, example dice_game.py, and run it in your terminal or command prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions to roll the dice and play the game. Congratulations! You've just created a simple dice game using Python. Feel free to customize and expand upon this code to add more features and complexity to your game. Happy coding! ChatGPT